Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on Gumroad. Gumroad is a fantastic e-commerce platform designed for creators like you to sell digital products directly to your audience. Whether you're an artist, writer, or educator, Gumroad provides a simple way to turn your passion into profit. It handles all the tricky parts, from secure payments to file delivery, letting you focus on what you do best: creating amazing content. Let's dive into how you can leverage this powerful tool. To truly succeed, you need to craft a compelling digital product. Start by identifying a specific problem or need within your audience that your product can solve. Think about creating high-quality content, like an ebook, online course, or unique software that offers significant value. Consider offering different versions or bundles, perhaps a basic and a premium package, to appeal to a wider range of customers and budgets. This strategic approach helps maximize your earning potential. Once your product is ready, effective marketing is key to reaching your audience. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, X, or TikTok to showcase your offerings and engage with potential buyers. Building an email list is incredibly powerful, allowing you to communicate directly with interested individuals about new releases and promotions. Don't forget to explore collaborations with other creators. This can introduce your product to entirely new audiences and significantly expand your reach. Finally, strategic pricing and scaling are crucial for long-term success. Price your products thoughtfully, ensuring they reflect the value you provide while remaining competitive within your market. Consider offering a free lead magnet, like a short guide or template, to attract new customers and build trust. Continuously update and improve your existing products based on feedback, which keeps customers happy and encourages repeat purchases, helping you grow your income over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.